Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is holystone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone. The holystone HS720G Drone with gimbal has completed the FAA requirement. You can now obtain the holystone REMOTEIDMODULE to ensure compliance. Reach out to the holystone customer support team for assistance with any remote ID module inquiries. With 2-axis motorized gimbal and 4K EIS, electric image stabilization, camera, HS720G guarantees stunning and vivid footage in a bird's eye view without missing any details. It's your ticket to the sky. The powerful brushless motors and a max battery life of 26 minutes ensure HS720G stable flight and having enough time to compose the perfect pictures. The maximum distance for remote control reaches 999 meters. The GPS module and optical flow positioning make HS720G safer, more reliable and have extraordinary anti-interference capabilities, offering you the ability to fly farther and more stable. You can have a blast outdoors with your kids or friends without disturbance and restrictions of distance. The emergency stop, smart return to home, GPS module and one key return can prevent HS720G from losing to a great extent. Don't hesitate to take it home. Our second best holystone drone is holystone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera that can be adjusted within 90 degrees by your remote control or the app, this drone can give you an exciting experience of aerial scenery from the 112 degrees wide-angle lens, and assist you to catch every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective. Whether you're shooting at a deserted beach or capturing the details of a fun family reunion, HS440 can handle it all. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes with the powerful modular battery and capture and explore more of your surroundings. Thanks to intuitive and advanced features packed in a foldable frame, HS440 provides complete freedom wherever and however you want to create. In addition, it's equipped with a carrying case which is very helpful for you to move the drone from one place to another. Explore your world without limitations. HS440 carefully optimizes user experience and intelligent features. Thanks to automatic takeoff and precise hovering, operation is more streamlined and safer than ever. One key high-speed rotation would bring more fun amid flight. The possibilities are endless when the sky is your playground. Third in our list is holystone GPS Drone. This HS360S drone with camera for adults featuring the holystone latest design weighs less than 250 grams. This GPS drone offers the perfect solution for hassle-free flying in the States without FAA or remote ID registration. Perfect for capturing stunning footage on the go. Holystone drones with camera for adults 4K equipped with 1/3 of an inch CMOS Galaxy Core sensor and 4K 85 degrees wide-angle camera adjusted within 90 degrees by remote control or the app, captures stunning 3840 by 2160p photos and 4K videos. Unleash your creativity from a whole new perspective. HS360S, a GPS drone with camera, features holystone's enhanced remote controller. Now you can connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable, and enjoy real-time image streaming without the necessity of Wi-Fi. Set the social media stage on fire with stunning visuals from the holystone HS360S GPS 4K drone with camera. Thanks to holystone advanced intelligent control system. The control range of HS360S drones with cameras for adults 4K is up to 10,000 feet. The powerful modular battery supports 20 minutes of flight. Experience the freedom to explore like never before with holystone drone for adults. Number 4 in our best holystone drone list is holystone HS170 Foldable Mini Nano Drone. Powerful air pressure altitude hold function allows you to release the throttle stick and the drone will keep hovers at its current height. This mini quadcopter can be folded into the controller, which is small and easy to carry. Drone automatically hovers at a set altitude after takeoff and before landing, making it easy to control and maneuver, especially for beginners who are not yet skilled. Enable players of any level to fly and operate the drone easily. One key: return. Press this button in headless mode, the drone will automatically come back to you. New and interesting function. The drone can do 360 degrees circle and fly at high speeds, offering you a special and exciting feeling. Full protection guards designed for children's safe, ensure that there will be no accident during the game. Keep safe from danger and crash. Equipped with a 1080p HD 90 degrees manually adjustable lens, the drone provides a wider, breathtaking field of view. It assists you to catch every wonderful moment from a bird's eye perspective, and lets you enjoy 1080p HD pictures and videos via the app. By connecting your phone/iPad with the long-distance drones with cameras, you can enjoy a real-time panoramic view, and share them on your social media with ease. Our last pick is Stone HS210 Mini Drone. The drone can be tossed to launch, it can perform circle fly, 3D flips and high-speed rotation. What's more, one key start/landing and altitude hold function enables the mini drone to take off easily and hover at fixed height stably. Nice drone for kids and beginners to control with the joystick. Our drones have low/middle/high speed modes, perfect for kids with different skill levels to have different flying experiences. Besides, 2.4 GHz remote control allows multiple RC drones for kids 8 to 12 to race at the same time. This RC drone comes with 3 pieces batteries, which can extend your fun flight time up to 21 minutes. And the low battery power alarm spares concerns of any loss or damage due to low power. Propellers are isolated by the protection guard, which protects kids from spinning propellers and protects the kids' drone from damage. Also, the emergency stop function supports the drone immediately landing. Also, with the emergency stop function to avoid any injury. These ensure the drone's safety. Just click the one key takeoff/landing button to start flying. Compared to other drones of the same type, we have a more powerful engine, and more stable hover technology. The altitude hold function can keep the drone at a certain altitude for easy control, fly, and shoot high-quality footage. The package comes with a carrying case that is convenient for outdoor travel. With 2 pieces 800 mAh batteries, even though the body is larger than other drones, it can last for 22 minutes. Equipped with controller batteries, propeller guard, and spare fan blades, making this drone stands out in its class.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!